Welcome. Introduce yourself and go ahead.
Good evening. My name is Molly Voyles. I'm the Director of Public Policy at the Texas Council on Family Violence, where I have the privilege of representing family violence centers all over our state. I'm here to register on this bill. It is our practice of doing that when we are in conversation with the office, and we did appreciate time with the staff in your office, Senator Middleton, this week. Thank you as well, Chair Hughes, for your time, and to all the staff here today who have worked so hard. We know you'll hear from a lot of Texans today, and it's important to note my professional role is to represent family violence centers. We respectfully ask to be excluded from this bill. It's really important to understand that for TCFE and for family violence centers, it is all victims that we need to make sure we are supporting and serving. Before I came to TCFE, I had the privilege to be an advocate for many years at centers here and in rural communities. One of the big considerations I want to lay out about this bill is that it doesn't contemplate the makeup of our actual centers, which are typically in rural areas, homes. Homes where survivors come with their young children, oftentimes adolescent boys, and many times a bathroom is shared by all of the residents, even if there are different bedrooms, right? You may have a bathroom connecting. It is also important to make sure that these programs stay open for all Texans. As I mentioned, the issue with the private spaces definition in particular could cause centers to not be able to provide services. We noted the exception for young boys, but so many survivors make the decision to flee based on their children, and the exception stops at a 10-year-old boy, leaving maybe survivors feeling they cannot come in with their older adolescent sons, and also for male victims who often have an increased stigma at seeking services. This would all but stop, I think, help seeking. Considering 1/3 of all of the people who walk through a family violence shelter are a child, we urge y'all to consider an exception for us, and we'd be happy to continue working with Senator Middleton and the staff to get that exception and remove family violence programs from this bill so that all survivors can get service. Thank you.
And thanks for your testimony.